Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to discussion with you because I have a question because when we try to speak English in front of people, so that time people laugh at us. I agree with you because human nature is they don't appreciate to every person. This is a common thing. Okay, you should try to speak English. Don't care about any person. Okay, your aim is only for improving English. So I think when you try to speak English, so that time you don't care about any person people, what will people think about us, and another things, don't care, don't think about anyone. Okay, I think I have tips, one tips, okay, for improving English, and that tips is if you don't have any partner and you don't want to talk to other person, you can speak with yourself as a in front of mirror and as a speak with yourself. Okay, I think this is a very good way for improving English. I think when I started speaking English, so that time I speak with myself and I speak in front of mirror, and you speak English loudly. Okay, so when you speak loudly, so definitely you will be improve your communication skill, and after that any words will come in your mind automatically. Okay, so this way is very good for improving English, and use this way. Okay, if you don't have any partner. And another thing I want to say, actually, don't focus to other things and any peoples, only try to speak English. Actually, people have a work to say, so please don't care about anyone, only try to speak English. And another thing, you can use listen. Okay, listening power is very important for improving English. Actually, when you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So without listening, we can't speak English well. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.